If you're looking for an in-depth and honest review of an affordable, compact, and portable Bluetooth speaker, well, boy, did you just come to the right place. Today we'll be taking a look at the Sony XBO1 Extra Bass speaker. The speaker itself retails for the low cost of $22 at your local Walmart, but if you're a deal shopper and want to help support our channel, check down below for an affiliate link to Amazon where you can get this product in 4 different colors for $18. What sets this speaker apart from the average Bluetooth speaker is the fact that it is water resistant at an IPX6 rating, meaning you can get this wet, but don't take it into the shower with you because then this bad boy goes bye-bye. What allows this to be water resistant is the fact that it has no ventilation, but it does have a passive radiator to give you that extra boost of sound that you're looking for out of a tiny package like this. For those of you who are sound gurus or audiophiles, as you might say, do realize that this speaker transmits anywhere from 20 to 20,000 hertz. But what we found is that anything under 100 hertz is really too quiet to be heard. And as for audio quality as a whole, while it isn't perfectly clean, it's not muddy, at least from our perspective. So in reality, you're really getting what you pay for at $18 a pop. You can't complain. One thing you might be worried about is how much sound can this bad boy put out? Well, it will fill a small room, but you're not gonna be hosting any ragers with this thing. Actually playing music can be done through 2 ways, either through a 3.5mm audio jack, which is under this cover. I will warn you though that when you're playing it this way, it is not as water resistant, or it can be played through Bluetooth. With Bluetooth, you can expect a 50-foot range, not line of sight. That's what we got, give or take a few feet, as the crow flies. If you're listening to some smooth jazz, it'll last for 6 hours on a full charge. For those of you party rockers, you're only gonna get 3 hours at max volume. To charge it, it does feature a micro USB port, again under the water resistant cover, that you can use any cable with. They do include a cable in the box, but it's kind of chintzy and I'd recommend using one that won't short out your house's electricity. For controlling the music, there's 4 buttons on top. There's an up, down, volume, power, and then a play, stop button. These will allow you to pair your device one touch via Bluetooth, as well as start and stop music and even accept calls that you can respond to with its built-in microphone. Call quality isn't great, but you can at least understand what the other person is saying. It just sounds like they're in a small tunnel. To turn the device on, you give the power button 1 click and you'll be notified that it's on via a blue LED indicator. There is another LED on the right side of the product that tells you the charge level and will go from yellow to red as it goes down in battery. Time to stop messing around. Let's give this thing a listen.
It's 100 degrees, why you feeling down?
That's what it's like under these lights, 100 degrees.
We just here to be free, it don't feel like this often.
You get the point. That sound test probably really doesn't do much for you on your phone speakers or on your computer, but you do understand that at a relatively affordable price, this speaker is pretty good bang for your buck. If you want to purchase one, check below for an affiliate link. We'd love to have you support us through purchasing this. And also, don't forget to click to subscribe as well as hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. But that's all we have for you today. Bird out.